bone broth is one of the absolute best things that you can stock your pantry with on a budget. It is incredibly nutritious, flavorful, and it is surprisingly simple to make. Now, because bone broth is a low acid food, it does need to be pressure canned, but don't worry, it's actually one of the easiest pressure canning projects you can start with. Pints only need to be processed for 20 minutes and quarts for 25. What I love about making my own bone broth is that it is so much more affordable than buying it pre-made, and you also know exactly what's going in it. We raise our own chickens, and so this is where all of our older laying hens go when they're done producing. We also raise rabbits for meat, and all of our retired breeders also become beautiful, rich bone broth too. It's a great way to honor the whole animal and to make sure that nothing goes to waste. Bone broth is truly a staple in my kitchen. I use it for so many things. From soups and stews to cooking rice and grains, it adds so much depth of flavor, and it is also a huge boost of nutrients and healthy animal fats. I always make sure to go into winter with plenty of jars stocked up. It's comforting, nourishing, and makes meal prep so much easier. Even if you don't raise your own animals, this is still a really budget-friendly project, and buying a whole chicken from the grocery store is always going to be cheaper than buying one that has already been broken down. Plus, it should give you peace of mind knowing that you're using every part of the animal and nothing is going to waste. To make the bone broth, start by roasting the bones in an oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. This is going to give your bone broth a beautiful, rich flavor and color. Then add the bones to a large pot and cover them completely with filtered water. You can add a splash of apple cider vinegar, and this is going to help draw out the nutrients from the bones. Cover and simmer for 12 hours and then strain it, and you're ready to pressure can it to make it shelf stable. And that's really all there is to it. This is a simple and affordable way to fill your pantry with something that is truly homemade. Whether you're new to canning or you just want to stretch your food budget a little, this is a great way to fill your pantry with a nutrient-dense food for you and your family. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video.